How to find nearby friends on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Profile at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find Settings and Privacy. Click on it. In here, scroll down and click on Notifications. After you're in Notifications, simply scroll down. And you'll find Posts from people you may know. Simply turn this on. Make sure the circle is on the right side. Then scroll down from here and you'll find People you may know again. Make sure you turn this on as well. After you do this, you can go back, reload the TikTok app, and you will find people you may know or nearby on your For You page. This is how to find nearby friends on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.